Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated and cooled front seats, universal garage door opener. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.